Yeah, they're not on right now. But what are we going to do? We're going to drive because the snow's gone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got the Deadbolt, the red one, which is pretty much bone stock, minus a couple weights. So I got wheel weights in all four corners and a brass diff cover. These came in a pair, these brass diff covers, but I just swapped one into mine as well. I'm running the square body, which used to be a Deadbolt, and you can see here's the wheelbase for that one, and front tire to front tire, and it's a little bit shorter. You can kind of see on those back wheels over there. So it's about what, like, I don't know, maybe a ½ inch shorter. Yeah, let's do some driving, bro. I'll turn yours on now. Oh, you did it! I don't think that line's ever been done, dude.
Yeah.
Going up and over this. Flip her over. There you go. Go.
I've never done this rock.
You can drive that one. Don't touch them so much. Just drive them. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh.
2 hands on the wheel, on the controller. Back up. There you go. Oh, not so much. Ender just turned 3 in November, so he's still working on his hand-eye, but he's getting pretty good at control. Remember, slow and easy. Yeah. Try backing up. Oh, or falling over.
On the tall rock.
Yeah, they're on the tall rock. Try going this way over here. Oh yeah! 2 hands. Nice and slow. Back up a little bit. Now you gotta turn too. You can't just drive straight all the time. Here. Oh, here we go. Oh, there you go. You gotta turn too, man. You can drive. There you go. Slow, slow, slow.
I need to come down this hole.
He's coming around. What are you grabbing it for?
Hold on, let's turn it around.
That was a really awkward repo. Oh!
Oh, I almost fell.
There you go. Drive, drive, drive. Oh, the transmission is hurt.
Oh.
All right. While he's having fun, I'll show you mine real quick. So I have done a little bit to this thing. As you can see, it's not an SCX24 that you're used to. I got a Emax servo in there with a 7-gram motorcycle wheel balancing weight on top. This thing's pretty stinking heavy. I upgraded to the Barrage, Dynamite Barrage 124 motor. You have to swap leads, which Uncle Travis, on his Uncle Travis's Workbench video, which is on the channel, you can look that up. It's very easy to do. I have some Power Hobby, which are basically knockoff hot racing shocks. I got another weight back here. I have wheel weights all around and the brass cover. I also swapped the battery in the ESC, so this is the shallow bed. I think it looks good. Some people were saying put a cover over it, which I probably should, but all in all, I'm pretty happy. Inside here, I used to have a magnet right there, dead center on the hood, and one up here. But instead now I have 2 on each side. These are just little bitty magnets that I bought on A-Main, and it centers the hood pretty good. You can see a little bit of wear in the paint. And then I just spray painted it black. This started out as a 124 Revel GMC square body model. It's not lined up, but it adds to the beater look. So let's do some driving.
Give me a little push.
Giving you a little push. Go. Try backing up.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
I'm going to a bit hole. And a road back. backed up. They are really backed up.
I don't think I'm gonna get up this thing.
Let me give you a push.
Oh!
A really.
That was a little push. Don't push until we're ready to push, okay?
Okay.
So, I feel like this barrage motor is worth the money. Oh!
Almost.
Tailgate works on that thing. Sorry about the blur.
It won't me come.
Even all this weight on here, sometimes depending on the line, doesn't want to go.
It won't the cheat the red.
Here comes Ender. He's just gonna mash down and make it somehow. Oh, got some grass stuck in my hood. This is just a little retaining wall that we have in our backyard. Oh, can you fix me?
Oh.
There you go. Thanks, bro. Watch your guy. You're driving your guy at the same time you're watching mine.
Yeah, I don't know how this works. You're done. I hope this track is breaking.
Nice and slow. Get a little flexy shot here for you. I had to chop the fenders a little bit because, as you can see, this rear fender in full flex, which this pretty much is full flex, not entirely. I think there's a little bit more throw. You can see it would rub. Oh. Yo, you're doing good over there, bro. Slow down, don't run into me. Oh no, I screwed myself up. Give me a little push with your truck. Not with your hand, with your truck. Dang it.